No, first, I'd like to ask about your tourism lead. The one big factor yan kung bakit ka nanalo.
Actually, tourism lead is not a requirement for the but we had the opportunity with Kuya Brian to film this. So,
how was the experience?
so much fun po. It was an adventure because yung una po is sa Kuning's Hot Spring in Porac, Pampanga. Yes, Pampanga. And the other one po. So I had the shoot there. So lumabas po kami to the tourism lead.
Second question. Your term as Miss Tourism International. Pero hindi mas pag-usapan your talents. Wala pa yan sa
We're eyeing for Miss Universe, but as of now po, not sure pa po. Not sure pa po, because I have this contract for 3 months or so after that, let's see po if I have the power back to compete for